Looking for the ultimate upright vacuum cleaner in 2025? Whether you need deep carpet cleaning, allergen control, or something lightweight and powerful, we've tested the top models. Stay tuned as we reveal the best upright vacuums you can buy right now. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Shark Apex AZ1002. As its name implies, the Shark Apex is the brand's flagship upright vacuum. Its Duo Clean system handles both carpets and hard floors with ease, and in our debris tests, it outperformed models costing significantly more. Whether on linoleum, standard carpet, or shag, it picked up uncooked rice, macaroni, and pet hair with impressive efficiency. Included tools are limited: a crevice tool, upholstery tool, and motorized brush head. But the latter is versatile enough to make up for it. Thin enough to fit between cushions, yet powerful on stubborn debris, it adds real value. In carpet cleaning, the Apex truly shines, picking up 54% of test dirt, placing it in the top third of all vacuums we've tested, and the best among Shark uprights. Number 2. Sebo Automatic X7. Sebo is renowned for its exceptional filtration, and the X7 model is no exception. It features a 3-stage system: a pre-motor S-Class filter, comparable to HEPA, with optional HEPA upgrades, a 3-layer dust bag that traps fine particles, and an electrostatic exhaust filter, similar to those in air purifiers, that helps neutralize odors. The result is hospital-grade air filtration, ideal for homes with pets or allergies. While the X7 lacks swivel steering, its powerful suction more than compensates. Think of it as a tank, less agile but extremely effective. In our carpet tests, it picked up 39% of dirt per pass, well above our 33% benchmark, which assumes multiple passes per area. If you prioritize clean air and deep cleaning, the Sebo X7 delivers. Number 3. Shark N V352 Navigator Liftaway. This is a popular and affordable upright vacuum that lives up to its thousands of positive reviews. Lighter than premium models like the Shark Apex, it's easy to maneuver around furniture and carry upstairs. In lab testing, it picked up about 38% of test dirt per pass, slightly below average, so multiple passes may be needed for a deep clean. While its performance isn't class-leading, the Navigator makes up for it with value and versatility. It includes 4 attachments, such as a 2-foot crevice tool for hard-to-reach areas, and it's completely bagless for easy maintenance. Best of all, it's backed by a generous 5-year warranty, one of the strongest in its class, making it a solid pick for budget-conscious households. Number 4. Oreck XL2100RHS. This is a no-frills upright vacuum designed specifically for floor cleaning. With no attachments or hoses, it focuses solely on the basics, but does them well. Weighing just over 10 pounds, it's exceptionally lightweight and easy to carry, especially upstairs. Its slim 5-inch profile allows it to glide under most beds and low furniture with ease. In lab testing, it picked up 30.25% of test dirt per pass, lower than average, but acceptable given its compact, streamlined build. What it lacks in versatility, it makes up for in simplicity and maneuverability. If you're looking for a lightweight vacuum for quick, regular floor cleanups without the bulk or fuss of add-ons, this vacuum is a solid, dependable choice. Number 5. Dyson Ball Multifloor 2. It strikes a balance between Dyson's lightweight cordless models and its more powerful full-sized uprights. It's about 10% lighter than the Dyson Ball Animal 2, making it easier to maneuver, though it does sacrifice roughly 10% in suction power. In lab testing, The multifloor 2 picked up an impressive 64% of test dirt per pass, well above average, but it still falls slightly short of the Animal 2's performance. That said, it delivers solid cleaning power and Dyson's signature engineering at a more accessible price. With its self-adjusting cleaner head, ball-style steering, and reliable filtration system, the multifloor 2 is a smart pick for those seeking Dyson quality without the top-tier price tag. So, which is the best? After testing them all, the Shark Apex vacuum stands out with its powerful suction, duo clean tech, and anti-allergen features. It's the top pick for most homes in 2025.